It is Friday, the 13th of October. My mother was not born in October, but she was born on Friday the 13th. So she always loved Friday the 13th. Didn't bother her in the least, although she was not suspicious, what do you call that? When you're, throw salt over your shoulder? Superstitious. Thank you, Sandy. It's like I had a brain fade. So she was superstitious sometimes, like if she spilled salt, oh, throw that over your shoulder, or, anyway, don't ever walk under a ladder, or blah, blah, blah. But anyway, she was born on Friday the 13th. It was good luck for her. All right, we got in the latest D-Stitch Nation from Wonderland Yarns, Frabjous Fibers. It's the Jurassic Cabled Hat by Jillian Robbins. So it's a really cool cabled hat. I think there's a little bit bigger picture on this page. Looks really great. And the celebration this time is the Lost Tower, and this is the yarn. It's a bulky. How about that? Yeah, quick hat. It's a bulky, and the pin is Rapunzel's hair coming out of the tower. So the whole theme is Rapunzel. Rapunzel. Therefore, a hat, and doesn't look like blonde hair, but I guess it's the moss-colored tower. How's that? It's a beautiful color. It'll make a great hat. So that's it, and the price is, drum roll, $40. So that's the pin, the pattern, and the yarn. So that is D-Stitch Nation's most recent. Then we got in. I love this picture. I love. This is all yarn, right? And it's all done in a gradient all the way around. And this is a magnet, and it is a journal. So it's a knitting journal or a journal or whatever you want it to be journal. So very lovely gift, $18.95. Really looks pretty sitting on your bedside table or on your desk. I love it. Right up my alley. It reminds me of, remember when the Queen died and someone sent me the book and it was so wonderful. Who was it? Chrissy gave me the book, I think. Anyway, it was all of the Queen's outfits done in gradient. It was awesome. And that reminds me of this. Anyway, that's that. All right, Friday the 13th, beautiful day. Oh my gosh, it's almost 80 degrees here. Crazy. I think it is going to drop, though, by Sunday. So maybe some rain a little in the morning tomorrow. I don't know. It's the weather by Holly, according to the news that she watched 7 hours ago. So it's all good. All right. We will be here tomorrow. Stuff's coming in. We've got new stuff and always the fast hats and pom-poms and those cute bags I showed you the other day about it's not head, shoulders, knees, and toes. It's glasses, keys, phone, and something else. Anyway, it's all, see, I can't even, wallet. So there you go. All right. Have a wonderful evening. I'll see you tomorrow.